Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we will be unboxing this portable microscope. So I got this for the kids just for fun, and we're going to test them out today. So also going to be showing you the slides that I got just to test it out. So I actually got two microscopes. There's a pink one and a white one, and we already have added the batteries inside. It needs two batteries, two AAA batteries, and it's for the light. So as you can see, there's a light in the bottom, and it's a little blurry right now, but it's for the light. So let's try it out. Try it out. There you go.
Can I try?
And see what you can see, and then you can adjust the microscope by using this this button here. Adjust it using the. What do you think? What are you seeing?
I don't see anything yet.
Okay, so I purchased four types of slides here. So the first slides are like flowers and pollens. The second slide are, as you can see here, rabbits, earthworm, shrimp antenna. So there's a variety.
This one's about food.
It's actually 12 midnight right now. Happy New Year! And we have honeybee wings. A fly's leg. So let's check on that one, and then the last one is it's a mushroom, tomato. So these are plants. So let's open one, and the kids can try them out. Oh, fireworks!
Fireworks! Happy New Year! Slide.
Okay, so I have a fish scale here, and let me see if it really works. So let's turn on the. Whoa! Happy New Year! So let's turn on the. So first turn on the microscope and let's check it out. This is how you're supposed to do it to be able to see the scales. So I'm trying to view it from here. So today we're trying out our portable microscope, and we have some slides, and they're seeing some fish scales. What are you seeing, Naomi? What's your slide?
Eyeball.
Eyeball, that's scary. Let me see.
Eyeball.
It's not eyeball. Let me see. It's a berry hair.
No, it's an eyeball.
No, it's not. It's a berry hair.